Varicose veins are a problem that affects much more than the outward appearance. They are dilated veins which can become damaged and end up not functioning correctly, causing blood clots, pain, discomfort, and a feeling of heaviness, especially on your legs. Women are generally more affected by this problem, especially older or pregnant women, due to their hormonal fluctuations. However, men can also develop varicose veins. Varicose veins appear due to several different factors, from genetics to bad habits. When they start to appear, they may itch and the area around may be sensitive. People who have to stand for long periods of time are the most affected by these symptoms. Before you start to consider drastic measures such as surgery, try this natural treatment that can greatly relieve the symptoms caused by varicose veins. The recipe we're talking about calls for 2 ingredients that are great for your circulatory system: garlic and olive oil. This combination, if used frequently, can help you keep your circulatory system healthy. However, to get the best results, it is recommended that you start this treatment as soon as possible. Whenever you start to see varicose veins appearing, you should also pair this natural treatment with exercise and a balanced diet. Here's the recipe. Ingredients: 12 garlic cloves, 1/2 cup of olive oil, 100 grams, the juice from 1 lemon, 1 glass jar. Instructions: first, peel the garlic cloves and cut them in half. Crush them using a mortar and pestle until they form a paste. Add that paste to the jar with the olive oil and lemon juice and close it well. Let the mixture sit overnight in a cool, airy place. The next day, remove the ingredients from the jar using a wooden spoon and strain them. Here's what you do to apply it. Take a nice amount of the mixture and apply it onto the affected area with circular motions. Apply pressure with your fingertips in circular motions in order to stimulate the circulation in the area. Let it sit for an hour, then rinse it off using cold water. It is recommended that you repeat this procedure 3 times a week, preferably at night. The appearance will gradually improve and the symptoms will lessen, so make sure you stick with the treatment. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.